Alright, so what's up everyone? Today I'm going to continue on the series of Nombaplet app, and I'm converting it to React.js app. So here I have open the React.js website, and it says basically React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it's built and developed and maintained by Facebook, which is a good thing. To use React, you need to have Node.js installed. Just go to nodejs.org and install whatever package that suits your machine. And then I use my code editor of choice now. Is code Visual Studio Code, and that's from Microsoft. It has very good auto-suggest and auto-completion, and it's wonderful. And also for ES6, I have this repository. It's called Awesome React by Enaxk, and they have a lot of tutorials and a lot of resources and tools for React. I haven't touched on React Native, but it's for React and JSX, so much. So this is a good place to go when you want to learn some really good stuff, about React, I think. And then I'm going to be using this app. The tool that is Create React. It's also maintained, developed, I think, and maintained by Facebook. It's on. You find the links to all these resources I'm mentioning in the description below. I'll keep the descriptions nicely organized. So we'll use the Create React app tool, and we'll install. I've installed it. If you haven't, just go to this page and then just npm install it, and then there is this React cheat sheet. Is another resource that I found that really breaks down everything, removes all the too long to read stuff, and just leaves you with the basics. It tells you what lifecycle methods you have. And then there's another React cheat sheet. This is by Dev Hints, and I'll leave the link as well. This is our app. This is what it looks like now, and we're going to do things so that when you enter here, it actually works. Okay, that is, we're going to, let's move this up here. And so this is our, I'm going to create a React app. I have already installed the tools I was talking to you about, so I'm just gonna use create React app, and I'm going to say Nombaplet. Okay, and this one should be closed. You go here. So this process takes quite a while. Alright, so it's finished, and I'll just cd into that, and then we will npm start, and we should see our app running good, and that's fired. So I'll come here, and then that's the code we have for that. I'll just go into, and then I'll add a folder into the into the workspace. I'll probably go here. It's not there. Non-responsive. Ignore. No, for now to respond. No, I'm here. I go here. React apps and Nombaplet. We choose that one and we add. So that's the code we were looking for. This is where we're gonna spend most of our time building our React app, and in the next video I'm gonna start on the coding.